A major power disruption during surgical procedure at MKCG Medical College and Hospital in Berhampur has triggered serious concern over infrastructure maintenance and patient safety. According to reports, an operation was underway in the surgery department when a sudden power failure plunged the operation theatre into darkness, creating panic among the patients and the attending medical team. Although electricity supply from the generator was restored shortly after, power reportedly failed to reach the operation theatre for some time, affecting the ongoing surgical procedure. Sources said that the patient undergoing surgery belongs to Padmapur area of Rayagada district. The power disruption is alleged to have occurred due to a malfunction in the UPS system meant for the operation theatre. It is further alleged that inadequate maintenance of the UPS system led to the power failure at a critical moment. The responsibility for maintenance of the electrical infrastructure rests with the hospital's General Electrical Division. While no response has been received from the GED authorities, MKCG Superintendent Professor Durga Madhav Satpathy has acknowledged the incident. He stated that the power failure was caused by a technical issue in the UPS system and assured that repair and maintenance work has been initiated. Hospital authorities have said steps are being taken to prevent a reoccurrence of such incidents and that the issue will be resolved at the earliest.
ऑपरेशन रो प्रस्तुति करथुले
आज्ञा
दुर्भाग्यवशतः सेतको लाइन टी कटिगला किंतु हमर जनरेटर बैकअप टा हारारी मिनिटे 6 रु 7 सेकेंड भीतर हमर आसीगला
आज्ञा
करंट पळे आसला किंतु आमे वर्तमान चेष्टा करतु हमर जो यूपीएस सिस्टम टी जो टिके असुविधा हेची ताकू पुनरुद्धार करू आमे प्रपोजल मागिचु एवं मिलिछि भी